fog, guys. Crazy fog on this road. It's around 8 right now, 8 a.m. The sun is yet to come out. Still afraid of the fog. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm in Naivasha right now. As you can see, the beautiful acacia trees. So I'm headed to Nakuru, my home village. Yes, my home village, just to gift my parents with some awesome TV. The room had everything except the TV, so I'm going to surprise my dad with a very nice TV, one of the best, top in class. I'm going to gift him a better TV than what I have at home, because yeah, they deserve better. They've worked hard, and yeah, it's time for them to, yeah, when they're retiring, to have a very nice retirement. So one thing I'm sure my dad expects to get a TV, because I told him to organize a DSTV man, so for the dish, but I'm sure he's not expecting the size of the TV I'm going to give him. So I'll be showing you guys the size of the TV. Is huge, one of the best, 4K, you know, smart TV, amazing, one of the best in class. And how I bought the TV, guys, is very interesting. So we have on all these major supermarket in Kenya, which is Naivasha, used to be in Tuskys, Carrefour, whereby right now you can purchase something in 3 months. You just you go, like the TV I'm buying, I bought it when it was on offer. It was very good offer. It was like 20% off on the TV, and I paid it in 3 months. So they hold the TV for you and you pay it in installments. So the TV, let's say it was 100,000, then you get 20,000, then off, probably, I'm just giving you an example. Then on the balance you pay it, you know, in bits. So they've been paying it for the last 3 months, bit by bit. So yeah, so finally I managed to pay the whole of it, and I'm going to take it to my parents. You know, guys, that is how you get blessings. So blessings are not free. You at least make your parents happy, and yeah, and with that they can bless you or not, but I hope they'll bless me. And yeah, thanks to you guys, we managed to put this off. So let's continue on the journey.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty lives in me
Guys, you can see some new pipeline. They're trying to put some new oil pipeline, I'm guessing. And this side, these guys are putting some internet coverage, some internet, what cabling? Undersea internet or something. Just look at that. Finally in Nakuru. Wow, Fuchs. So guys, we just arrived. Who's here? Guys, we're finally home. Wow, a lot of changes, guys. The grass right now. Wow, if you remember from the previous video, this place, you know, ilikuwa tu mchanga, it was just sandy, but right now you can see a lot of vegetation. Here we shall put cabro, so step by step. But hey, hiyo nyasi imeshika. So we have Peter, Peramasiku Peter. Anoga chale. Yale. Ni yale ama?
Niko Nyale.
Nyale. Daddy. Oh, from Mombasa. Baria Coast. Poa sana. Yes. Yoni DSTV yenyewe. So the installation. The TV, guys. It's a 55-inch 4K quad-core 4 processor, cinema experience.
Shuka.
Ona nyasi imeshika. So leo ndio surprise.
Leo nimefurahi ndio.
Sijui kama umeiona. Hii imetusumbua hata kukuja nayo. Haitosei, tumeshindwa kupack.
Ubarikiwe sana.
Asante. Ni kubwa.
55.
55 inch. Hii ni 4K, like unaweza ona 4K, like unaona the best quality yenye iko saizi. Na hii TV. Hata mimi sina hii.
Be brave.
Amen. It's getting beautiful. I hope I will be blessed enough just to cover this place with cabro. This is what my father uses. Oh, we have to take a number plate. It's an extra. This. I think in future I'll buy such a car. It's an extra.
Moja ama yote.
So, is this a security light? Oh, the garden light. Oh, ndio plan next, eh? Oh, unasema hizi ndogo za chini ama zile
zenye zinawaka hapa ndani.
Oh.
Kifika usiku. Isikue bush sasa unaona hapo.
Unaona tu light hivi kazuri. So 8000 ni for the whole ama ni moja?
Moja.
Oh, moja. So inategemea ngapi?
Hiyo tutakuja.
Na unajua uzuri wa hiyo, kuna spin ya mtu inaenda.
Oh. Na ikifika usiku inajiwasha ama mtu anawasha? Oh, iko na sensor.
Kama hii kuzeza tena.
Iko.
Guys, we want to fix it here. You see. So this has to be removed. So this is where we shall use it. Going to take the TV and utakaje? Kuishikana mbele? Guys, just look at the hustle. This thing is humongous. Finally. So we have light bulb here cooking.
Hi.
What is in the kitchen? Ugali. Na hapa kuna kanyama. hands on fire. Guys, I just want to give you some meats and some ugali there. So guys always think this thing flickers. It's just very still. It's super still. It's only that the lights, the camera cannot handle it. So most of you guys think the lights are shaking, but they're very still. When you're in the house, like they're very still. It's only that the camera cannot hold it. Yeah, so it's usually not a disco light. No, most of you always tell me like, how would you put a disco light? No, they're very still. Yeah. Somebody's calling. Somebody at the gate. Oh, golly. Serving the African way. So guys, time to enjoy the meal with my fan supper as we wait for the TV to be fixed. So guys, apart from the DSTV, we're also going to add this. So this will help in whenever you don't want those pay TV channels. So this will help in the free-to-air channel, the normal antenna. So we've also added the wall mount for the TV. So you can see this is the TV right now, 55-inch. It's gonna be fixed here now. Has been fixed. Time for the TV to go up now. TV is going up. Yeah. The mounting is done. So some few final touches. And we do the test. Finally. I'm East Africa. Look at East Africa. What do you call it? Guys, the clarity is just, I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah. The 4K is real. Wow. You're not even getting it, man. The 4K is super serious. Everything is ready. Peter, Peter ulisikia vizuri sasa?
Sasa niko sawa. Sasa niko chonjo. Sasa
uko chonjo kabisa.
Naweza kimbia.
Watu wanaweza kupitia hizo kazi sasa.
Sasa niko sawa kabisa. Nashukuru.
Karibu.
Tunashukuru kwa kila jambo.
Asante. Dadi, umefurahia?
Nimefurahia sana.
볼 때면 내 숨이 가빠져
Nimepata nafasi nzuri ya kupumzika na kujionea ng'ambo.
방심한 사이 내 맘을 짓는
Sawa sawa.
회색 빛에 내 하루가 점점
Amen to that.
너만의 태도로 날 물들여가
Comes to the end of my day today. Target for the day achieved. Really happy and really honored that finally the TV that I've been buying for the last 3 months is finally home. And as you can see, yeah, we thank God. We thank God for everything. And guys, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And yeah, very soon we shall take you up country. Probably you guys can guess where, but yeah, very soon, very soon I'm going to take you somewhere special. Been planning to go to this place for the longest, but finally shall go. Peace out, guys. See you.
You set my world on fire. 속 주인공